Zenith Technologies presenting AI Series 5 MP/IP camera. AI Smart Analysis Professional Security Solution. Now let's discuss the main features of AI camera. License plate reading. Now our AI camera will be able to read and detect the number plate of cars. You can see the clarity of AI cameras in night. The number of cars are visible clearly. AI human detection. AI face comparison. Off-duty detection. Line cross detection. Passenger flow statistics. Redefine security with AI-enabled surveillance system.